Hi, my name is Steve Gostin. We're going to talk about manufacturing management techniques. In a manufacturing facility, it's important that we are managing our team as well as the effective performance of our team, our product, and all of our equipment. Part of what we need to do for an effective management style within a manufacturing facility is ensure not only the performance is there by our team, but the quality of our product. You have to create a team environment because you're one person. If you're in charge of this manufacturing facility, you're one person. You have to rely on other people. That's where your horizontal management comes into play. You have to ensure your co-managers are people that are managing their teams effectively and efficiently because you want to ensure that the product is correct. Nobody wants to see the equipment break down. Nobody wants to see anybody get hurt. So there's a safety measure involved as well. Managing in a manufacturing facility is important, and being at the top means you have to ensure that people below you are doing their jobs every step of the way. This way, there's less waste, there's more happy people working for you, and the quality of your product is exactly what you designed it to be.